How should high-standard farmland be built? Take a look at farms in Europe. And when you get there, you know what the difference is. The construction of high-standard farmland in Europe, the irrigation system must be installed, and it's dark tube mode. Through such an underground pipe system, it can cool and control the moisture content of the soil. Let's take a look at how they were built. And this is an English farm. Professional high-standard farmland construction team. Come to Tanabe, start homework. First of all, buy a car and start digging from the edge of the field. The serrated teeth are cut directly to a depth of about a meter. The front of the car has a nose. Just bury the pipe. There's a funnel up the nose. Another transporter next to it was transporting stones. What about the stones through the conveyor belt? Directly into the funnel. Just such a perfect fit in one step. Completed the laying of the pipes. So here are the key techniques. The first press tube is water permeable. By manipulating the gates at both ends of the press tube, it is possible to control the soil moisture content. Second, why lay stones? Because the water permeability of stones is very good. Fill the stones between the pipe and the root. Can achieve the effect of water permeability. At the same time, it does not affect the update. Third, the dark tube adopts the mode of parallel plugging. The distance between each dark tube, about 5 meters or so. Brothers, look at this farm in England. There is already serious water accumulation in the middle part. If you don't build such a concealed pipe system, the future will seriously affect agricultural production. Looking at farms in France, the soil here is completely different from cause and effect. There is a certain rock layer. Farmer man, the same is used to buy a tube car to work. But here's the cool thing. They only sell pipes, not rocks. After buying, use a backfill car directly. 10 pieces of soil will be found. Filled up. Seems that the soil quality is different. The paradigm is really different. Here is the farm in Hunan. Look at the soil they got up early. It's really dark. And their homework also starts with a water slice. Cut open the buried pipe. At one end of the pipe is a blue plastic drain. What about the buried part? It is a pipe with osmotic function that comes out of the mouth of the bowl. And there's only 2 people for the whole assignment. One person opens the device. The other person is responsible for putting the pipe. After buying, backfill the truck and you're done. The entire construction process. It's the same kind of dry, high-standard farmland. Why is the gap between us so big? 1. Our high-standard farmland. A lot of it is face engineering. It looks shiny on the outside. After a heavy rain, it might just be pushed out. Where is the irrigation system we actually use? How to achieve sweat irrigation? Let's take a look at other foreigners. Such technology. Able to access soil anytime. Anywhere. Control of water content. Second, the details of the family are everywhere. Soft soil causes and effects. People will fill up stones to achieve the function of water permeability. And the soil is hard in Hunan, France. They just fill it up. That's how science is built. And then finally, I have a suggestion. Assessment of high-standard farmland. It must be built after 5 years. The average grain yield as a criterion for assessment. High-standard farmland with no yield must be held accountable to the end, especially those who are laymen. The Tofu Dregs project built by CARE. The development of Chinese agriculture. It did a huge amount of harm. I don't know if everyone agrees with this point of view. Okay, follow robo-farming. Introduce you to new technologies in global agriculture.